Please read the disclaimer carefully. Acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Earth is about 9.8 meters per second square. Gravitational force on 100 gram of object on the surface of Earth is about 1 Newton. Lifting 100 gram by 1 meter results in 1 joule work. When an unbalanced force is applied, the mass is displaced, resulting in some work done. However, we need to measure the displacement due to the force applied. Here it is about 50 centimeter, that is about 0.5 meter. Using the biceps, I am exerting slightly more than 36 newtons force to lift the weight. In each repetition, displacement is about 0.5 meter. Therefore, work done is 18 newton meter or 18 joules per repetition, and I am consuming 4.3 calories per repetition. Four repetitions result in a total of 72 joules of work done in 10 seconds. Therefore, power consumption is 7.2 watt. 7 repetitions in 10 seconds result in 126 joules of total work and 12.6 watt power consumption. This versatile home gym can be used to exercise a variety of muscle groups by adopting different sets of motions. It is only our innovativeness and creativity which are the limits. My weight is about 68 kg. To lift it off the floor, 680 Newton force is required. Climbing the chair of height 45 centimeter results in 306 joules of work done. 4 repetitions yield 1224 joules of work in 10 seconds, that is 12.24 watt power consumption. 6 repetitions result in 1836 joules work done in 10 seconds, that is 18.36 watt power consumption. I hope you have enjoyed the video as well as learned some basic physics concepts. Do subscribe to my channel Maths Moj. Thank you.